Hello, welcome to the Central Virginia region. Today we learn about many different species in our region, from plants, amphibians, mammals, and even snakes. So sit back and enjoy a quick look at our natural wildlife. First, we have the eastern poison ivy. The eastern poison ivy can be identified by its 3 rigid or smooth leaves. The eastern poison ivy uses urushiol, and it's used to irritate the skin and cause an allergic reaction. Burning this plant causes the urushiol to be released into the air and can cause severe lung reactions. A way to avoid this plant is the classic rhyme, "Leaves of 3, let it be."
Next up, we have the one, the only, eastern gray squirrel. Eastern gray squirrels are the planters of nature. They bury acorns and tree seeds and often forget where they put them. They are also very intelligent and are really good at acrobatics. They can jump 5 feet in the air and 7 feet across to get to other tree branches in the trees. Their back feet can turn 180 degrees, allowing them to grab on tree bark. They build leafy nests in trees called drays. Also, did you know that they use their bushy tails for balance? Lastly, even though they don't like getting their fur wet, they can swim really well if they need to.
Third, we have the Japanese stilt grass. This species of grass is a highly invasive, shade-tolerant grass. This type of grass acts like a vine. It grows on top of each other and often leans on other plants for support. After turning brown and dying back in the winter, it leaves behind a thick, highly flammable layer of thatch. Thatch is an organic layer of dead and living shoots, roots, and stems.
Fourth, we have the eastern copperhead. A copperhead is a venomous snake. A copperhead is also a pit viper, meaning that they can sense heat and typically have triangle heads. They are also ovoviviparous, meaning the eggs hatch inside the female's body and she gives birth to live young. Researchers found that a protein found in their venom called contortrostatin can prevent the growth of cancer cells. Lastly, when threatened, they may emit a strong odor, often described as smelling like cucumbers.
And last but not least, the green frog tadpoles. Well, they are a major food source for birds, fish, and mammals. They survive by living in permanent bodies of water, where they can hide under things like leaves and sticks. Unlike many frogs, green frog tadpoles spend a lot of time in water, usually taking 1 to 2 years to fully develop into frogs.
Every creature plays a part in a story laid out millions of years ago. Yet, this wild world is more fragile than it appears. As we look at these landscapes, we are reminded that we are not just observers, but part of this ecosystem. To protect it is to protect ourselves. For now, the wilderness endures.
Peace!